everyone is going, but why? No, no, no. I'm feeling very comfortable. For the last 10 years onwards, I'm doing the same thing only. Hare, why you join computer science? Ah, my friend joined computer science, so that's why I joined. Hare, why you bought a BMW car? Ah, my friend bought BMW car, that's why I took this one. Hare, why you bought this plot? My friend did, that's why I'm doing that. Gorrelo. In Telugu, we can use the word gorrelo. In English, we can use the word goats. One goat follow, automatically, the remaining goats always follow the same. Hare, goat fell from the hill and died. The remaining goats never going to think the remaining goats also fall from the hill and die. Have you ever saw such a type of thing? But small, thoda difference for the goat and the human being. Okay, at least 20, 30 goats there, out 100 out of 100, all the goats will die. But human being, so total difference. Oh, 10 members died. Then the 11th member is going to think, maybe this path is not good, it seems. Then he is going to realize. Such a type of basic thinking, basic thought process, Elon Musk doesn't follow. He won't follow. That's why he reached the position. So what the principles he's following is first the principles, right? So he's breaking that regular habit, breaking that old belief system. Okay, breaking that just a blind following. That thing is first the principles, right? What it means, I will explain. Up to this, any doubt? Are you going to be convinced with my explanation? Any doubt or anything you want, you can talk with me. Okay. So now just observe carefully what it means. Let me continue. Right. Of course, this is the where first principles come into the picture. Okay, what is the first principles of thinking? Such simple. Outline I'm taking. Of course, in detail I will explain. First thing, first basic thing is don't copy others blindly. Don't copy others blindly. Blindly. Okay. Don't be goat. Don't be goat. Goat. It is telling. Don't copy others blindly. Break the problem. Break the problem. Break the problem into small parts. Break the problem into small parts. Small parts. Next, solve problems. Solve. Start solving. Start solving from basic truths. From basic truths. Okay. Start solving from basic truths. Next, rebuild. 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 Okay, like now what it means? What it means? So first thing, don't copy others blindly. Okay. Old belief system, forget about that. Forget about it. But physics we should not touch. Array, why apple fall down from the tree? If I throw apple into the air, compulsory it will fall down, fall down. Am I going to change its behavior? Respond. Am I going to change its behavior? No. It is gravity. It's a because of gravity only. Next, energy, gravity, such type of physics, no one is going to change. We should believe. But there are some things are there. There are other things are there. Just blindly following those things, we are not required to follow. Okay, is the real fact is there inside? Is there any physics behind that? Is there any physics behind that? No physics. If there is no physics, why we have to consider? Array, sun is always going to rise in the east only. Sun is always going to set in the west only. Boss, we should not touch that point. Okay. For every action, there should be reaction. We should not touch that point. Because all these things are scientifically, physically proved things. So like, so if you throw anything into the air, automatically it will fall down. Okay, because of gravity, physics, we should not touch. Okay, but the remaining things are there. Compulsory, we require to touch. We require to question. We require to ask. Okay, like so. What is the first thing here is blindly don't copy others blindly. Okay, break the problem into small part, start solving from basic truth, and then rebuild. Okay, like so now, so you have to question old beliefs. You require to question old beliefs. Question old beliefs. Old beliefs. Yes, why? So you have to question old beliefs. Don't accept the things just because everyone says so. Okay, here this is the very important point, right? Everyone, everyone says, everyone says. So I did. So I did such type of statements. I don't want to follow. He didn't follow. Okay, so Elon Musk. That's why SpaceX came into the picture, or Tesla came into the picture. What it means, sir? Just three steps, three steps of first principles thinking. Three steps of first principles thinking. What is the first one? Of course, same thing only. I told already. Nothing. Just the first thing only. Break the problem. You have bigger problem is there, sir. Break the problem. Break the problem. Yes. So cut into smallest parts. Cut into smallest parts. Okay, like suppose here, best example. Of course, two examples I'm going to talk in this. Maybe tomorrow I will generalize for our day-to-day example, day-to-day regular activities examples, right? So SpaceX is there. Rocket is very costly.